So guys, under the CARES Act, your bank or mortgage issuer may have offered you forbearance, right? Which is really just a nice way of saying, hey, we will still allow you to live free for 3, 6, even 12 months with just no mortgage payments. Now, of course, this sounds really good because you get to keep that money, but offers like this sounding too good to be true usually are because they are just too good to be true. So now I'm going to be telling you why, if you can avoid this mortgage forbearance, why you should avoid it at all costs. So guys, here are the headlines. So many people taking advantage of this mortgage forbearance offer, and this is potentially going to create an incredible mess in 6 to 12 months from now. Now, before we get into the reasons, let me just thank all my returning subscribers and viewers. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to the channel once more. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to drop a comment down below and just tell me what you think about the points that I make in this video. Now, if this is the first time you're seeing me, my name is Ian, and on this channel I talk a lot about investing, making money, and personal finance on a whole. So with that said, consider subscribing to this channel, and when you hit the subscribe button, remember to tap the notification bell icon so you can get the updates of when I post new videos here, which is several times a week. Now, as I said before, a record number of homeowners are now taking advantage, or in this case, disadvantage of this mortgage forbearance, if I can use that word, that is. Now, I am saying this because it is being advertised as just not paying your mortgage payments for a couple months, but as usual, these banks always have 99 pages of the finest print with the most complicated jargon. So today I'm going to be telling you a little more about what you may be missing from these forbearance offers. Now guys, I'm not really surprised that so many people are taking advantage of this mortgage forbearance, as many of them have no other option right now. And just a couple days ago, this was being pushed a lot in the media that you could just stop paying your mortgage for months. So a 2,000% increase in forbearance offers being taken up was cited. So first of all, let me go over the benefits of this mortgage forbearance plan. And of course, it does come with some benefits. Now, one of the biggest or the most appealing perks of this is that the forbearance is offered at no fee or at no additional cost to you. So you won't be paying extra because you took the forbearance offer. Secondly, this will not be reported on your credit report that you took forbearance, so it should not hurt your credit. So that's another positive. Now, at the end of the forbearance period, the terms and options moving forward are dependent on the lender or the specific lender, and so those will differ from lender to lender. Now, if you have lost your job or income and you really just can't find another way to make money right now, then this is also a much better option to take than to just sit around and have your home enter into foreclosure. So those, my friends, are all the good things and benefits of taking advantage of this mortgage forbearance offer. Now, as for the negatives. Now, one of the most important questions about this mortgage forbearance offer, and even one of the benefits I just listed, also comes with a downside. So they won't be reporting anything to the credit bureaus for the entire period of you being in forbearance. So that way you won't have a negative rating on your credit because it won't say that you've missed any payments, right? Well, not so fast. You see, now they just don't report anything at all to the credit bureaus. And if, like some people, your mortgage is the only thing being reported on your credit or the only positive thing, then that's going to disappear for the duration of the forbearance. And the longer the forbearance, the more your credit score could slip because of this. Now, if this has already started happening to you, drop me a comment down below and let me know by just how much your credit score has gone down by, as I understand that people have already lost 10 to 15 points on their credit score because of this very thing. So with that said, if you have really good, great, or excellent credit, and better yet, if you've just been able to get your credit back to a good place, then you may want to reconsider taking up a mortgage forbearance offer. I mean, if you can manage to continue paying your mortgage during this crisis, you would be better off than just having a blank stretch on your credit report for the next 12 months or the next 6 to 12 months. And remember guys, it takes only 6 months of no accounts reporting on your credit for your score to go to zero. Now, a second disadvantage of the mortgage forbearance offer is that although it sounds really good to not have any payments for months to come, these payments don't just go away. This isn't a free pass where you live free for 6 to 12 months and then just forget about it. You will have to make up for this money and pay it back. Now, this one will vary from lender to lender, but I have seen many banks saying that at the end of the forbearance period, all missed payments will be due at once. So think about having 6 months of mortgage payments pile up on you and then having to come up with all that money to pay it off all at once. Now, as for the main options here, at the end of the forbearance period, most lenders are offering these 3 options, or at least telling you that you will have 3 options, but they aren't exactly telling you what the options are, and they're just simply giving you some options which will have sub-options, which can be anything that they want really. So the main options that I have seen are 1, a repayment plan, secondly, reinstatement, and the third option seems to be a loan modification. Now, let's just look at what each of these options are. So first of all, a repayment plan sounds okay, but that's just it. That's as much information as they are given. A repayment plan means that you will agree to pay off the debt in a certain time, but with this being so vague, this could be anything really. It could mean that your mortgage doubles for 6 months to make up for those payments. We really just don't know. So for that reason, I wouldn't risk it either unless the bank gave me a detailed repayment plan and I knew upfront that I could actually manage to make those payments in the future. Now, as for reinstatement, this is not a good thing, although it sounds cool. It really means that you will have a balloon payment to make. Now, if you have heard the word balloon before in real estate, then you know it's something bad, even if you don't know what it is. But simply put, you will have all the missed payments to make up all at once, and this is not just missed payments, it's also interest of those missed payments. So me personally, I would try to avoid that one at all costs. Now, as for the loan modification, this is where they would most likely, and I don't work at any of these banks, so I can't say for sure, but I think they would add these missed payments into the entire loan and then either extend the end date of your loan or slightly increase the monthly payments. And over 30 years or even 15 years, the monthly increase here should be, shouldn't be that much of a big deal in my opinion. Now, remember guys, this is all just speculation. And if you guys did receive a mortgage forbearance letter from your lender, then let me know down below if the letter was vague in terms of the conditions of the forbearance and, more importantly, the repayment of the missed payments that you would have because of the forbearance. So guys, these are all reasons why I think the forbearance is a bad idea, especially if you can find a way to continue making your mortgage payments. Now, I mean, it will cost you more in the long run. It could cost you your credit score. And for a lot of people, it could just be delaying foreclosure or creating foreclosure, or even just forcing them into pre-foreclosure and creating a lot of short sales. So with all that said, let me know your thoughts on this forbearance situation and how you are dealing with it as well. It would be great to hear your experiences, as many of you guys have mortgages from different lenders. So comment down below so we can all benefit and see what these lenders are really up to. Now, once again, guys, thanks for tuning in to the channel once more. And if you like and appreciate these videos, just let me stress this again. All I really ask is that you try to give these videos as many likes as you can. Your likes inspire me to create more videos, and if you guys keep liking, I will consider making 4 videos every single day about personal finance, investing, and ways that you can make more money. Now, if you're still watching this video right now and you haven't already subscribed to this channel, you have to do so right now. And remember, when you subscribe, be sure to turn on post notifications so you can get updated on when I post new videos, and I post new videos here on YouTube several times a week. Now, if you guys aren't already investing, I'm leaving a link down below to Webull. And yes, it is an affiliate link, but when you guys sign up and invest $100, and actually you don't even need to invest anything, right? As long as you use the link, you will receive one free stock. If you invest $100 into anything in the stock market on that platform, you will then get a second free stock. And guys, these free stocks can be anything that could be valued up to $1,000. So be sure to check out Webull, as it is a really easy to use investment app and platform. Thanks for tuning in to this channel once more. All the best, and until next time, guys, take care.